Hey friends, so I'd like to read to you one more book about families and how families are different. All families are different, but how they're all still special. So this is a book called Families. All right, so here we go. Families. The author is Shelley Rotner and Sheila M. Kelly. And there is not an illustrator because nobody drew the pictures in these books. They are actual pictures from a camera. So the person who took those pictures is Shelley Rotner. So she was also the author. So she wrote the words and she took the pictures. So families, here we go. There are all kinds of families. That's true for sure. Some families are big and have cousins, aunts, uncles, grandparents, and even great-grandparents. Some are small. Sometimes the people in a family look alike. Sometimes they don't. So if you look at these pictures, some of these kids are in a picture with people in their family, but they might not look like each other. They might not look alike. They might look different, but they're still a family and they still love each other. Some families have children that are born to them. Some families adopt. So remember in the Todd Parr book that we read yesterday, there was the little penguin who didn't have a family, and the little duck family adopted the penguin and brought them into their family. So sometimes there are kids that maybe don't have a family. So other families adopt them and bring them into their family so that that kid can have a family and be happy and be loved. Some children have one parent. Some have two, a mom and a dad, or two moms or two dads. Every family is different. Others have a grandparent, an aunt, or an uncle living with them. The people in a family may not all live in the same place. So sometimes some parts of families live in one place and some parts of families live in another place. When members of a family live far away, they like to visit. They get together at celebrations and reunions or parties or holidays. Families have fun. Look at all the fun that's going on this page. They have fun being together. That's true. I have the most fun with my family. They help one another. Oh, it's good to help the people in your family. I'm sure that your family helps you. People in a family love and care about each other. Look at all these people. I see a lot of love on this page. There are many different kinds of families. What about yours? I want you to think about your kind of family and who's in your family. And I would love for you to draw me a family picture. I'd like you to draw me a picture of the people in your family. We'll be doing this in class together, so you don't have to do it right now, but I can't wait to see your picture of everybody in your family and all the people that you love. All right, friends, I'll see you soon.